Hi fools, I'm Andy Cross, Chief Investment Officer here at The Motley Fool. As part of our Ask a Fool question, Jeff posted to Facebook the lifelong question, when to sell. I'm great at timing buying, but waffle about when to take profits or cut losses. Jeff, we have a lot of questions about selling here at The Motley Fool from individual investors. They get scared about when to sell. They focus more on buying than when to selling. Well, here's my advice to you on selling. I think individual investors focus too much on selling. Warren Buffett, the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, the famed investor, has said that his returns would be better had he never sold a stock. And this is a gentleman who has compounded outstanding returns over time. That's because individual investors really focus too much on selling, especially on companies, some that have done very well from them. They're winners. They focus too much on selling a lot of their winners. And studies show that individual investors cut those profits and those gains far too early. So you really want to be careful about selling your stocks that have performed well, cutting those gains, because a lot of those businesses can go on to outperform over time. And that's my main guidance about selling. If you have a business and a stock that you think will not outperform the general market over time, over the next 3 to 5 years, that's really your key reason for selling. Whatever that reason may be, you just think that investment will underperform the market, because you can go out and buy a very general ETF or a market index fund that you can invest in very cheaply that can perform very well. If your investment can't beat that investment, that's your bogey. You really want to think about selling. So rethink, maybe if you're thinking about selling a winner, make sure it's the right reasons. Don't cut your gains too early. And if you're finding an investment or a stock that you don't think will beat the market over time, that's a really good reason to think about investing. As well as for diversification, you want to make sure you have a very diversified portfolio. So that's a little helpful advice about selling. You can always find out a lot more information about selling out on Fool.com. I'm Andy Cross. We'll see you later.